Standard 9th Mathematics Part 2nd. Hello dear friends. In this video we are going to learn about how we can describe a segment, a ray and a line as a set of points. Friends, in the book Mathematics Part 1st of 9th Standard, we have learned union and intersection of sets. Now let us describe a segment, a ray and a line as a set of points. And the first is a line segment. Friends, the union set of point A, point B and points between A and B is called segment AB. Segment AB is written as seg AB in a brief. Segment AB means seg BA. Point A and point B are called as the endpoints of a segment AB. And the distance in between the endpoints of a segment is called the length of the segment. And that's why we can write length AB is equal to distance of AB. Length AB is equal to 5 and is also written as AB is equal to 5. Friends, second is ray AB. Suppose A and B are two distinct points. The union set of all points on segment AB and the point P such that A dash B dash P is called ray AB. Here point A is called the end point of ray AB. The union set of points on ray AB and opposite ray of ray AB is called line AB. The set of points of a segment AB is a subset of points of a line AB. If the length of two segments is equal, then the two segments are congruent. In this figure, length AB is equal to 4 and length CD is also equal to 4. And that's why these segments are called as a congruent segment. Now we are going to learn about properties of congruent segment. The first property is reflexivity. Means each segment is congruent with itself. Second is symmetry. Means if first segment is congruent with the second segment, the second segment is also congruent with the first one. And third is transitivity. Means if first segment is congruent with second and second segment is congruent with the third segment, then first and third segment are said to be congruent with each other. Next point is midpoint of a segment. If A dash M dash B and segment AM congruent segment MB, then M is called the midpoint of a segment AB. Every segment has one and only one midpoint. Now we are going to learn about comparison of segments. If length of segment AB is greater than length of segment CD, then it is written as segment AB is greater than segment CD. Segment CD is less than segment AB. Perpendicularity of segments or rays. If the lines containing two segments, two rays or a ray and a segment are perpendicular to each other, then the two segments, two rays or the segments and the ray are said to be perpendicular to each other. It is written as like the above. Distance of a point from a line. Dear friends, after perpendicularity of segments or rays, we are going to learn about distance of a point from a line. If segment CD perpendicular line AB and the point D lies on the line AB, then the length of segment CD is called the distance of a point C from line AB. The point D is called the foot of the perpendicular, and if length CD is equal to A, then the point C is at a distance of A from the line AB.